Frisco has so many things going on right now. In this video, I'm going to share with you what I love about Frisco, Texas. Frisco, it's starting to not feel like a suburb anymore. It's feeling like a city with some of these tall buildings coming in. Now, don't get me wrong, it's a very high-class city, and there's a population of about 225,000, and it is growing. But it's a wonderful place to be, and it fills all the boxes for a great place to settle in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Frisco, it's scooped up so many national awards. We're talking the safest city in the U.S., number 5 happiest city, number 1 best real estate market, and those are just to name a few. There are so many reasons to love this city. It is well planned out, there's new construction, and an amazing place to raise a family. The city covers some 69 square miles, and it's about 28 miles north of downtown Dallas and roughly 20 miles from Plano's downtown. Home prices in Frisco, Texas start at $420,000 and go up to $7.5 million that are right now on the market. I know there are other homes priced higher. Eventually they'll come on the market, and the median home price is $670,000. Frisco remains one of the top cities for our out-of-state clients. Buying a home here is still a good investment, and Frisco is still growing with many attractions still coming to the area. So why I love this city so much. The number one reason I love Frisco, Texas is the booming economy. Frisco has a robust and diverse economy. It is home to numerous corporate headquarters, including several Fortune 500 companies. The city has experienced massive growth in recent years in various sectors, such as technology, healthcare, finance, and retail. We had such a great day exploring the new PGA headquarters, and it just opened last year. The PGA headquarters is a beautiful state-of-the-art facility with 2 championship golf courses and plenty of things to do for your family to come and hang out. They were hosting a kids' golf camp the day we visited, and they were having a blast. So cute. For adults, in addition to golf, there are restaurants and some shopping, a wonderful addition to Frisco. Just behind the PGA golf course, you're going to see the fields being developed. They're just breaking ground on this massive development with 2,500 acres, and there's going to be 14,000 homes, including apartments, townhomes, and single family. The fields will have 250 acres for parks and 25 miles of trails along with its one town square with office spaces, retail, entertainment, and dining. It's going to be like its own little city. Can you imagine living and working in the same neighborhood with all these great amenities? Already, Frisco's thriving economy offers excellent job opportunities and contributes to a high standard of living. For instance, there are currently 282 startups in Frisco, of which 77 are in sports technology, and 5 of the 7 esports teams have their headquarters in the city, and of course the Dallas Cowboys are headquartered here, but more on that later. The second reason I love Frisco is the amazing quality of life. Life is good in Frisco. The neighborhoods are well maintained, excellent public safety, and lots of wonderful public spaces and gathering spots. Great for date nights. The city boasts an impressive array of parks, recreational facilities, and green spaces, promoting an active and healthy lifestyle. Frisco is also renowned for its extensive sports infrastructure, including professional sports teams, sports arenas, and the National Soccer Hall of Fame. It has a nickname of Sports City USA. Frisco is home to the Dallas Cowboys headquarters. although games are played in Arlington at the AT&T Stadium. The Dallas Stars NHL hockey team and the FC Dallas soccer team also have facilities in Frisco. Hi, my name is Dana Pollard and I'm a real estate agent in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. So if you are looking to buy or sell a home here, I would love to be your real estate team of choice. Fill out the questionnaire in the link below. The third reason I love Frisco, Texas is the warm, family-friendly environment, as you can see behind me. There are so many opportunities for kids here. Frisco is consistently ranked as one of the best places to raise a family in the United States. The city offers excellent public schools, safe neighborhoods, and family-oriented amenities. There are numerous community events and programs designed for families, creating a sense of community and providing opportunities for children to grow and thrive. Whatever sport or hobby your child may have, you can find it in Frisco. And if you haven't heard yet, coming soon is a new Universal Studios park designed just for families. The 100-acre park will sit next to that massive fields development I mentioned earlier. The fourth thing I love about Frisco, Texas is the entertainment and the culture. Frisco provides a vibrant entertainment scene with various options for shopping, dining, and leisure activities. The city is home to the upscale Stonebriar Center Mall, numerous boutique shops, and a wide range of dining establishments. You can find almost every chain retail and restaurant option in Frisco, and they even have an IKEA. Everything you need is very, very close. Frisco also hosts several cultural events, festivals, and live performances throughout the year. Visit www.visitfrisco.com events for more information. They even have summer movie nights at the PGA headquarters where the big screen is located. How fun is that? Another reason I love Frisco is for their schools. They have an A rating and are in the top 5% of public school districts in all of Texas. Frisco is known for its exceptional education system. The Frisco Independent School District, FISD, is highly regarded and consistently ranks among the top districts in the state. It gets an A rating from the state. Graduation rate is 98.3% and test scores are in the top 5% of the state. Frisco leaders decided early on to have several high schools instead of just a couple mega high schools to give students more options to compete and participate in sports, along with fine arts and academic endeavors. Their facilities are new and really well thought out. Additionally, Frisco is also home to Collin College and a branch of the University of North Texas, providing higher education options. Okay, so Frisco really is an amazing city, but there is one thing that I don't like about Frisco, and I would say the rising cost of living here. And it's such a popular city that all the housing, it's still going very fast and the prices keep going up. Frisco's rapid growth and popularity have led to an increase in the cost of living. Like I said, housing prices in particular can be relatively high compared to other areas. The demand for housing has outpaced supply, leading to an increased home prices and rental rates. So how much is needed to live in Frisco? Well, currently the average household income is about $154,000. So living in Frisco means you'll be paying top dollar, but the rewards can be great. So much to do, great family environment, good schools, and quality lifestyle. I'd say it's very worth it. So if you're interested in moving to Frisco, Texas, or anywhere in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex, you can call us, you can email us, or you can fill out the questionnaire in the link below.